In business news this morning, the Bank of Canada could cut the key interest rate today. Tyler Orton with Business in Vancouver is joining us now with more. So, Tyler, what are we learning?
Well, it's interesting because widely expected from economists was that we'd cut the rate sometime later this year. But with the novel coronavirus stalling a lot of economic activity, it's very likely that we could see a cut come as soon as this morning. Now, this key rate, it impacts everything from the value of the loonie to loans businesses get from banks, or else even just mortgage rates too. So the U.S. Federal Reserve, it actually cut its key rate yesterday as a move against the coronavirus stalling the economy. So more access to capital with lower interest rates means more economic activity. So the dollar for us here in Canada, it's actually been weakened quite significantly the past few weeks as a result of falling demand for oil because of stalled economic activity. So the loonie would actually fall even further if the rate cut happens as early as this morning. So we'll have to keep our eye on it. We'll know for sure in just a few moments.
Got it. All right. And another story you're following today has to do with FortisBC apparently planning a $3 billion expansion of its LNG plant in Delta.
Yeah, quite exceptional because it's coming just as FortisBC is putting the finishing touches on another $400 million upgrade to the same facility. But this second phase of expansion is now in the midst of an environmental review process that could take about 2 years to complete. But once complete, the Tilbury Island LNG plant would produce more LNG than the wood fiber plant in Squamish. But if the environmental review process is successful, well, don't expect this expansion to actually be completed until 2028. So it's still a long ways off, but they are banking a lot on increased demand from domestic and foreign buyers, including BC Ferries here in British Columbia.
Got it. Tyler Orton with Business in Vancouver on this Wednesday. Thank you very much, Tyler.
Thank you, Sonia.